Congratulations, we've made it through funding. You've been living in your house for a little bit of time, and now it's getting time to where you're going to need to make that first mortgage payment. So here's some things to look for. As I have a law enforcement background, I have a tendency to look at fraud first. And so with that, please make sure, and if you have any questions about who to make your mortgage payment to, reach out to us. We're more than happy to help. But here's what you should have. You should have a payment letter from us stating that we're the ones that you're making your mortgage payment to. If we have sold your mortgage off to another investor, another sub-servicer, then you would have a goodbye letter from us and a hello letter from them. So if you don't have that, then pause, and it's always wise to pause and give us a call. We can let you know if indeed we have sold your loan to a sub-servicer or not. Now, most likely, we will be selling your loan off to a sub-servicer. We do service some of our own mortgages, but it's pretty common practice that we will sell your loan to another servicer at some point in time. Again, really watch that, because you would have a goodbye letter from us and a hello letter from your new lender. And that goodbye letter will state who we sold your loan to. When in doubt, give us a call. Last but not least, you may want to set up maybe an automatic payment in your banking account. My suggestion would be, don't do that. Wait for a couple of months until we know whether we're going to be selling your loan to another sub-servicer or not. And if we are going to sell your loan, then just wait until the sale's been done, and then you can set up the automatic payment. I know for myself, I don't set up any automated mortgage payments because mortgages are sold so often. And so I just go into my bank account and I plug in the numbers and hit send, and then my money's going off to the servicer at that point. So I don't know if that's what you want to do, but if you do want to set up an automatic payment, then please wait 2-3 months. And again, I can't stress enough, if you have any questions, reach out. We're happy to help in any way that we can. There are companies, individuals that will send fraud alerts to you stating, hey, make your payment to us. But unless we send you a goodbye letter, do not do that. So I can't stress that enough. Hope that you found value in this. If you did, please send it to others that you may know that maybe just recently did a mortgage. Again, we're here to help in any way that we can. Hope that you have a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.